Hey there! How is it going, everybody? In this video, we will go over the steps on how we can install and configure Java on a Windows machine. Simulan natin ang video na to sa pag-define kung ano si Java. Java is a computer programming language na na-develop by James Gosling at Sun Microsystems back in 1995. And since then, naging popular siya na programming language. Java is an object-oriented programming language na ang syntax niya based sa C and C++. Kaya yung mga C and C++ programmers, medyo madali silang ma-familiarize with Java. Java allows the creation of robust, secure, and portable applications that can run on multiple platforms including Windows, Linux, and Mac operating systems. Kaya ang tawag nila kay Java is build once, deploy anywhere. It is assumed that 3 billion devices are now running in Java. Pag in-install nyo si Java, makikita nyo yung signed na yun. And yung mga devices na yun, nagre-range siya from desktops, laptops, mobile devices, Blu-ray players, and yung mga webcams natin, navigation systems, medical devices, and more. Nagraran yung JVM dyan, which in turn, niraran yung mga Java programs. So, madaming opportunity pag isa kang Java programmer. Kasi hindi lang desktop yung pwede mong gawin, pwede mong maging trabaho, pwede kang maging web developer, pwede kang maging API developer. So, madaming career path. And that is one of the reason kung bakit siya super popular up till now. Kahit madami ng programming languages ang lumabas, hindi pa rin siya na luluma, kumbaga. Next is i-install na natin si Java into our local computer. So, I'm assuming na all of you are using Windows kasi itong exercise na to ay for Windows user. So, i-download natin si Java in OpenJDK form from Red Hat's website. So, copy lang natin tong URL na to, developers.redhat.com/products OpenJDK download, which is this page. And hanapin natin yung OpenJDK version 11 MSI kasi installable to. Yung zip ay kailangan mo siyang extract and i-configure. Basically the same lang, pero for this exercise, let's use MSI. Download. So it will take some time. Kung mabagal yung internet nyo, i-pause nyo lang tong video and then continue kapag tapos na. So, na-download ko na siya. Java 11 OpenJDK 11. So, pag nasa local machine nyo na siya, double-click nyo lang para ma-install. And then, on some computers, baka nakaset yung security warning nyo into high, lalabas itong ganitong pop-up, just click Run. And mag-i-start na siya ng installation into our Windows machine. In the first dialog, just click Next. And then accept the terms and click Next. And here, baguhin natin yung location kung saan naka-install or kung saan i-install si Java. Ako, nilalagay ko siya sa si Java JDK. And then, yung version ng Java, OpenJDK-11, major version. Para kung mag-i-install kayo ng iba pang version, is dito lang din sa same directory na to, para hindi nakakalito. So, after yung ma-change, yung folder name, just click OK. And click Next. Hindi natin kailangan yung mission control. And click Install. Here, nakita natin na na-create na yung OpenJDK folder. So, pag tapos na yung installation, click Finish. And then, inspect natin yung mga na-install. So, basically, kung pinanood nyo yung Maven tutorial ko, ganun din siya. Meron din siyang bin folder. Na yan yung mahalaga kasi later on i-add natin siya sa ating Windows environment path para ma-access natin tong mga executables na to. Ang next na step is i-add yung Java home sa ating Windows environment variable para magamit natin siya sa ating mga applications na gagamitin later on. So kung naka Windows 10 kayo, i-right click nyo lang yung this PC. Kung Windows 10 and below, my computer yata yung naandito sa Windows Explorer. So i-run nyo lang yung Windows Explorer nyo. Normally naandito yon, File Explorer or Windows Explorer. And then right click sa this PC, click Properties, and here, click Advanced System Settings para lumabas yung System Properties na window. And then here, sa bottom right, click Environment Variables. And dito, kung pinanood nyo, yung Maven tutorial ko, dito rin natin in-add si Maven Home. Dito rin natin i-add si Java Home. And kung may iba pa kayong environment variable. So, na-add ko na siya. Ang gagawin nyo lang, since first time nyo, click New. And then, in the variable name, enter nyo lang Java _ home, all caps. And then, variable value is kung saan nyo in-install si OpenJDK, which in our case, si Java JDK, OpenJDK. So, copy-paste nyo lang yan dito and click OK. Now, next, kailangan naman nating i-add yung bin, yung Java bin folder sa ating path variable para maging accessible siya sa Windows Terminal and eventually kay Eclipse. So, hanapin natin si path. Again, kung hindi kayo naka-Windows 10, hindi pa ganito ka-organize yung environment variables na screen. Yung path nyo is parang string lang, long string na separated by semicolon. So, kaya sa dulo, i-add nyo lang si Java Home /bin. Kasi kung makikita nyo, ganito siya. Ina-add niya lang talaga na separated by semicolon per path. So tayo, kung naka Windows 10 kayo, click nyo lang yung New and then lalabas yung Edit Environment Variable. Click New para magkaroon ng bagong row below. And then since na-add ko na siya, nandito na yung Java Home ko. And then i-type nyo lang percentage Java Home percentage. Bakit? Kasi yung percentage, ibig sabihin nun, Windows variable siya. Remember, earlier, nag-define tayo ng Java Home user or environment variables para sa ating user. Now, pwede na natin gamitin yung environment variable na yon. Kasi si Java Home, kung matatandaan natin, nakapoint siya sa si Java JDK, OpenJDK. Kaya pag nag-bin tayo, ibig sabihin, ito yun. And ibig sabihin, yung mga binaries na nasa folder na to is magiging accessible sa ating Windows Terminal kay Windows mismo. So eventually, magiging accessible din siya kay Eclipse and sa iba pang application na or IDEs na gagamitin natin sa pagpo-program. Hindi lang to yung limitation ng environment variables. Kung mapapansin nyo, ang dami kong environment variables dito. Gradle Home, Hadoop. So yan is our mga applications na ginagamit ko. So lahat sila nandyan kasi kailangan ko sila sa path ko. Pag-build, pagko-compile, pag-run. So kung nawawalan kayo or kung sa tingin nyo, na-install nyo na yung program and then hindi siya nagra-run, most likely baka wala siya dun sa environment variable ni Windows. And then click OK once na install na siya. Okay and okay. Now, paano siya matetest? Like before, mag-run lang tayo ng terminal by pressing Windows R and in the open text field type command and press enter. So lalabas yung terminal natin. Ngayon kung wala siya dyan, pwede nyong i-press yung Windows or yung window button and then enter terminal. So makikita nyo dapat yung command prompt. Or kung gusto nyo naman command, makikita nyo pa rin yung command prompt. And then here, type natin Java version para makita natin yung Java version na installed, which is OpenJDK 11 na siya yung in-install natin kanina. And mahalaga, ito, tip, kailangan pareho si Java and Java version. So kung nag-install kayo ng dalawang Java version, make sure na iisa yung nasa path nyo. Both 11 sila. Kasi minsan, pag nag-install kayo ng Java 8, and then nakalimutan nyo, nag-install kayo ng Java 11, and then kinumpile nyo yung application nyo, yung program nyo with Java 11 using Java, and then yung IDE nyo pala, nakapoint kay Java 8. Pag run nyo, magkakaroon ng compilation or class issues, mayroong conflict. Kasi, kinumpile nyo siya sa latest version ng Java and then niraran nyo siya sa version 8. So, hindi sila compatible. So, kung may encounter nyo yun na class-related issue, most likely hindi compatible yung version nyo ng Java and Java. So, from time to time, i-check nyo to. Lalo na pag nag-install kayo ng dalawang Java versions. So, nakatatapos tayo ngayon and next, i-discuss naman natin kung paano mag-install ng Eclipse. If you enjoyed these tutorials, consider supporting them by simply liking this video and share it to anyone who you think would find them useful. And if you have the means, you can contribute on Patreon. Link is provided in the description box below. Be sure to subscribe for future videos and thank you all for watching.